Chai, Queen, Igbo Queen, Wezono, one night why we sick up Tabia duo in the Jpac, the model, one night walk organ, Manas no contique and is Susie when Makana, Oyechi, that's now, we Jpac who gave us a chair, auntie. So that go have now no advice in the Madina, yeah. So we see kia putaka po nkia o make sure naka again ocha make sure naka ocha if not baba mo na hafi ya ni choga bu eku ha na isa gazo ike oyo buna na si na oye just meche wedding a day meche that day meche wedding pam kasaga bido up to now naka na gbadi ama mo mekwe honeymoon one ndi bia na dem no space no oyo buna man the bloggers every minute equal asa na kwa na ka gido cha fine na ka ya do kwa cha la ka no ndi pai ka ine nego dey one night because ka get one night wine comment e ma make any advice on the like button but watch and down ka ine say
good morning, good evening from whatever part of the world you're joining me from. Like you all know me, I'm Gigi, the only chief pilot that people source her book on Facebook to read. The only chief pilot that people source out her videos to use as a reference. Now, someone tagged me to a video, and that person is Zagagist Analyzer. Zagagist Analyzer. Good morning, my dear brother or sister under the account. First of all, I want to commend you for doing a beautiful job, for doing a good job. Now, there's a video that you highlighted, like, you tagged me, and I just saw the video now, and I want to address that video. But first, I want to commend you for doing a wonderful job, like reposting videos that most of us don't even have access to. But please, I want to beg you for another thing. I was informed that Nkiru, my sister, was on August live program. Please, Zagagist Analyzer, is it possible if you can, please, for my sake, coin out, extract that particular place Nkiru called. Now, if you don't know Nkiru happens to be the lady they heard her voice at the background that Jpac was playing, claiming that Nkiru is Ogechi's relative. As a matter of fact, Nkiru is not anywhere related to Ogechi. Everything on that voice Jpac played, which happens to be coined out from my live video, is actually not true. So Nkiru, my sister, God bless you. You see, the first day I spoke to you, I knew there was something about you, and that's why I said, okay, speak to Nkiru, as in leave Nkiru. There's something. I'm no way here. It was both a matter. Have a quiet on Facebook. You for John Abaromaya to hold you. You are someone. Now there's a video Jpac did, and Zagagist Analyzer has made it very easy for me. Has made it very easy. Rest forever. Okay. Has made it very easy for me, and I'm going to play that, and I'm going to tell him what to do about his requests. Now, this is Jpac. I'm going to play it.
I need accurate information about Ogechi. If you are in Chicago, if you know where she's working, I need her working IG. I was not sorry about Nigeria. I may check a extradite or by force. She will come back to Nigeria and face her crime and face her charges. Because any My number is 090211. The number you will send information about Ogechi, her ID number. I need her ID number. Somebody can give me ID number. I need accurate information about Ogechi. If you are in Chicago, if you know where she's working, I need her working ID. I was not sorry about Nigeria. I may check a extradite. Okay, but she will come back to Nigeria and face her.
Now, Jpac, Oga Peter, good morning. Wow. You need Ogechi's ID information. Okay. Please, they need your information. They need everything about you. Jpac apparently needs all those things they want to extradite you from America to Nigeria. Now, when I told Jpac that the people behind or pushing him right on are saga people, he will not understand. They say he that wears the shoe knows where it hurts the most. The luck you have, Jpac, is because you have a luck that you have stopped actually using my video for your analysis, because I would have been here to face you. And when you run a video, most times you use Igbo dialect. I will use English, and I will tag other non-Igbo speaking people like Yoruba people. I will tag their platforms, and then I will let them know that you are a man that that you have your circle that opens up a WhatsApp group to pull down your fellow people with lies. But go and thank your star that you have reduced, or you've decided to listen to advice from people. Now, it's so appalling. Let me hold on for a while. It's so appalling that you are asking for Ogechi's address so that she can come and face her charges. Hello? Where have you been? Did you not hear that she's gazetted? Did you not hear that FBI sent her this thing, a letter? Did you not hear that FBI was on my plane and then I crashed the plane in the middle of the Red Sea? Did you not hear that? Did you not hear that she has a case with one senator's wife that has stopped coming online to come and tell us where have you been, my brother, or a content creator like you? Where have you been? You know what? I'm so surprised that you've been on this social media for years, despite the fact that you use POG to climb and Oge to climb, and yet you've not been hearing Oge's address. They've not been telling you that FBI has address and people have address, and you're still asking. I mean, if these people pushing you to ride on actually love you, the first thing they would have done was to send you Oge's address for you to actually, you don't even need to extradite her. I know your Nigerian government, and I know Ogechi's calm Nigerian government. That is why you want to extradite her as Tinubu, Balabu, Bulabab that you are. You want to now, by yourself and only you, like American FBI, come and carry her like hush puppy. You see, sometimes when I see some men don't reason, they won't understand why. And I'm sorry to say this, you happen to be one of those men that reason through their bomb. And that is why I have become your nurse. The only place you can get this is if you work with NHS. I want to come and you pay your EK, to know your EK. Even when you touch, now that's your tele. Come when you get touch. When you get here, can you check Brian the Madonna hospital or your patient? You understand? Nchoribia munyegi this na anyagi. Kaifu, but soburo na anya nchoriji emepegi otelensi ga ahụ. I am here to examine your nyash. I want to examine your nyash. That is why I brought this dot blue to see. You see these blue dots? I want to use it to examine your otolenseke. Kamara maiha niku moweziuku. Because wokobla niku yo. There is a problem. My dear, I know I'm an evil woman. You don't need to tell me that. I be evil. They don't tell you. Bending ground specialists. Atro mi bia nyo ike ya. Ka nyo ike ya nyo ya. Ka nyo ike. You want to know la your otolo. Marama. Onwele ihe kokumbo banyegu ya ko banyebegi ya. That is why I have brought this. So if you can come, let me do the examination myself, and then I will prove, because I will say the truth. You know, I'm a justice fighter. So when you try your ikegi, marama, kokumbo banyeguya or not, that is why I have gone to get this. You understand? Now, I don't want to believe that you've been in this blue app for years and you're still asking for Ogechi's address. Juliago. What is your job? Don't you have it? Did I not send you the address that time? Why not send it to Jpac? Intelligent caller. Don't you have it? Don't you have Ogechi's passport again? Ikegura, why in Sunday? Don't you have Ogechi's passport again and her name? Is she no longer Chinyere like I told you guys? Ogechi Chinyere, okay. You understand? Don't you people have it? You've forgotten your chief pilot gave you people all this information, and your brother is in need. Our brother Jpac with 6-pack, with belly of 6-pack, is asking for details, and everybody's mute. You all are evil. Jpac, go back to my post of 2021, 2022. Go and get more this thing. At least I saw the one you took with Chief Pilot, so that you posted on your page. I saw it there, and I saw the comments you received, almost 300 comments. So you should have been able to discover that Ogechi's address is there. This one you're coming to tell us you need the. Let me play it though. Now you talk about, say you want to you're now a whole government. It was the government now that want to.
My number is 0902 The number you will send information about Ogechi, her ID number. I need her ID number. Somebody can give me ID number.
Hold on.
I need accurate information about Ogechi. If you're in Chicago, if you know where she's working, everyone around, I need her working ID.
Ima onye ga-enyekwa gị ID ahụ, make kwa sure na ọ bụ na Facebook account ka ọ ga-use. Let me advise you. You need to be smart like me. Anybody that will be sending you those information, if you want to live long, make sure you screenshot their name. If it's Facebook account, even if it's fake, screenshot it. URL can always be traced. If it's number, even if it's not registered, as long as there is a connection that made it go through and deliver to you, they will find who has it. So make sure you keep their names, so that you not say, had I known. My brother, she been for my page, you go get those things. The things you posted that I posted with Chief Pilot too, you got them from my page, right? So I think you can still check more. You still see more there. There's no need coming out to come and start asking for address. You do things codedly now, you know. So she has told you guys she's no longer coming. So because were you guys planning to go and buy her? Chicho Bonaya, please respect yourself and call who. No. Florence, don't let me block you, because you know what? You are very stupid. Whoever is under that account, you're very useless. You were there when this guy went to lied on me that it was me that brought out against that picture when he was on sick bed. None of you said anything. You're telling me to respect BA. As in respect, kubu represented again wagea. You didn't tell me to respect myself. Now you're telling me when you people were there. Jpac, let me advise you as a brother. Let me advise you as a brother because you have a lot to learn. You are not learned. I will be the one here exposing all those people. These people hate you. They've never been happy that you and Ogechi were close. So now that this is happening between you and Ogechi, they are happy. I'm telling you the truth because I've been with them. These were the same people that joined hands together. These people coming now with fake accounts. I don't want to say you're daft. Let me say you are not enlightened. You understand? So I don't want to use the word daft. You're not enlightened. So let me school you. Let me enlighten you. These were the people that were 2021 chief pilots ride on. Chief pilots, they will call. If you hear their voice notes plenty. As in not the one they called though, the one they were calling me privately, sending me things, hiding. Tell them to open a page and let you to come and watch them and use them to do content and join their video and say, hey, one of our sisters with the America, he talks so Ogechi this, Ogechi that. Come out. Tell them to come out with their faces. Do you know that out of 100, 50% of these people, or even 80%, they live in America? They are such a coward that they cannot come out or challenge Ogechi in America. Then it's you. Now you won't come get, I know if you get justice for them. Now come on you, Jpac won't get justice. Those people are lunatics. You don't know I'm a husbandless woman. I did drink all Gundara. Of course now, our dear men, of course I want to be relevant. Jpac wanted to make me relevant, and that is why he rushed to go and start getting things on my page. That is why he rushed his mumu. The Okmo went to my page to go and start picking videos of people sent him. And as daft as he is, without thinking twice, he started using my video. To do what? To fight Oge. Every of my video there, that's why I didn't delete any. Because I know they've already downloaded it and kept it. Every of my video, I'm here, I'm still alive to account for it and bring out their names. The people that sent what, especially those in UK, to bring them out, to pulling her for. So I'm still here. So for you saying I'm seeking for relevance, of course, Jpac was seeking for relevance when he was using Igbo to want to commit his atrocity. If he wasn't seeking relevance, why would he be in a group where they were planning to bring down someone, a man of God that did nothing to them? They want to cash out 50 million. So why won't I seek relevance? Why won't I seek relevance wherever you are? And Florence, you said I should respect myself. Really? When Auntie 100K lied and collected a forged doctor to WhatsApp, what did you people do? How many of you did I come and help me? How many of you? How many of you did I say come and help me to write? Now me by myself, write government. Drag on with NMC. Now me by myself. Apart from people that their pictures were posted on that the first chief pilot that they took away. Apart from the people that their names were there, that now their pictures and that of their family were there, that I now gave them NMC's contacts to take a screenshot, forward it to NMC that this is what this person, and this person is in UK is relating to the person in America for their own sake. Apart from intelligent caller that wrote to NMC, how many of you wrote to NMC? Those of you in UK, how many of you wrote to this lady has been lied against? Florence, did you write? The last time I checked, I don't remember seeing NMC saying that, they got also a report from this person. Do I know? I can't remember. As far as I was concerned, I was the only one dealing with anti-100K with NMC. That is why you can never hear her call anywhere and come and insult me or insult my mother. Because I don't even know this woman from Adam. She started abusing me. Started calling that I scammed her 100,000. Okay, come and collect your 100,000. She refused. Even denied herself that she's not the one. She's not the anti-100K, whatever. The documents are saved where she lied. So how many of you came out, even wrote letter? How many of you in UK? You're telling me I should respect myself. You did not tell Jpac to respect himself, his big belly, when he went to go and start extracting my video to come and fight Oge. On Angokai, when I see they are alive, to say my enemy don't buy up, I say okay, make you use them. I'm alive and I have mouth. I can speak. So any of my video, as long as say my distance still there in page, where he go screenshot, post for him page, I go to use and he go bring where I go for this blue app, this thing. Now I won't take Nola, Ikea, Moweba home, can post to picture Papo Gacha. Also, no Mubutara. A common liar. Now you are here to now come and start saying, look at you people advising me. You did not advise me. You people want him to come out and start uselessing himself. You people want Jpac to come out and start fighting Oge for you people. You useless men and women doing saga. Uno na cho one use onye obodo. Una afuna ogaros omele imakwanda ebum Onitsha style. Una no fit use and the guy don't go. You almost ruined his career. The guy ran away. Let me tell you, content creators, the easiest thing to ruin your career is saga. Don't. Do you know they were planning to actually destroy Jpac? And the man that called into his program, Intelligent Caller, telling them, oh, get your cake, also killed Mr. Obi. All my videos, you go hear him voice there. He killed Mr. Benko and also killed Dr. Timothy Okeke. That is a style, very manipulative man. See, let me block him. Let me show you guys the day I blocked him because I heard some people are talking blah blah blah. Let me show now. Extradite. My friend, hello there. Yeah, me channel there. Now today then they extradite. My FBI never extradite and can't give now. Hold on. My show now. When I block him. I don't even know. Okay, like I save him. My show now. Let me block him. Yeah, see him. You see? I block him. See, you blocked. For those of you saying, the last day I spoke to him was 14th of November. I called him when I was going live. He gave me missed calls. Let me turn it around. Laya Muhammad. This is him. See, I saved him as Intercoco. They see him. This is when the last time I spoke to him. For the liars. They see him here. 14th. He called me, left voice notes. You see, I blocked him. For those of you talking rubbish, and I'm not ready. Nonso has begged me to unblock him. Same thing with Oriak. I said, no, I don't need him. I don't need to unblock him. Because there are some things you need to save yourself from some certain people. I just needed to stay away from toxic people. And more at the point, when don't reject. And I think my spirit has had it. You understand? As a Christian, your prayer life started diminishing because of likes of him with lies. Because don't forget, anything we do, we will give account of it in the end. You will be accounted, or you will give account of all the things you've ever done. It's kind of like this, all like video. There's a heavenly camera that is recording from the day they gave birth to you. But the people where you don't nyash, the people in Waravaha, they na make kokumba. Everything where you don't do, everything, your masturbation, you go see them within seconds. Yeah, you don't watch yourself. Within 5 seconds, you don't watch your life history on earth. If you died at the age of 100, within 5 seconds, you don't watch from when you were born till 100 years. 5 seconds, you don't watch them. Do you understand? So at the point, my spirit didn't just want him. I disposed him because I'm done with all those negativity. They're not part of me. Now, you people wanted to push Jpac to his doom. You people are evil. You people wanted to kill that man's career, and that is why none of you could tell him, Baro Gate or stop. Run from Ogechi. Hey, you understand? I'm not saying that Ogechi is a monster. There are some things you avoid. There are some things you avoid. So you know that Ogechi, no matter what, she's not leaving Facebook. No matter what, nobody can drive away from. Any angle you come, she go face you. And I go drag them. It's even better for a woman and a woman to fight than a man and a woman to start exchanging words. I was telling someone this morning, I say, why? If you're a man, you've not studied a woman, then you have a problem. Let me tell you why. If a woman can be pregnant for 9 months, that 9 months, despite the fact that the baby is kicking, moving, the pressure to go and wee, everything, she will endure. The sleepless nights at night, the pain, staying awake, and then not even finding comfort, how to lie down or how to sit down. And then she bears all those pain. And then just one day, into the labor room, she will want to scream down heaven. She will even tell the husband, "You're a useless man. God will punish you. Hey, She will scream. One day she will burst out. That is how women are. How we can dig until one day you see like this, they will scream out. They will scream out as in let it. That is how women are. That is why it's good to avoid women. Women, avoid them. Men, when it comes to trouble, avoid women. Even when you kill yourself, avoid ya for udo ichi. It a good wine. I'm not encouraging men to cheat, but respect the woman you have at home for her not to find out. Because if she finds out, she can either use her silence to kill you or kill you, wogi miracle or stab or wogi kipo. That's why you need to be wary of women. So I'm surprised that most of you wanted to ruin Jpac's career. That's what you guys were trying to do. And that is why I had to do that video, to tell him my experience with you all. Jpac, I am that woman they are calling Onyarana London, Ojukwu Ejaba, Auntie Gwegwegwe, mental syndicate, Onyi Singbaka, husbandless woman. IVF, like recently, that's because latest Mirabelle. Una don't only marry her nda or gone down on their platform. Have you used people use it to do ogo for them? These are new sour the akamu on a Jpac every place. Or unu mere ogo to junior mere ogo to Jpac and onyo obodo and ogovnezio that this is the Mirabelle they are coming to defend Nakpo. I was the one that personally made sure her account in Nigeria first asked her. I was in UK communicating with police people and the lawyer communicating here, assuring her that her bank will be open until her bank, first bank, Emepere her first bank. I put your account here. Ask her. Now me carry her for head. But today she's calling me IVF. IVF is for rich people, my darling. IVF. Not for rich people. So anybody where they call me that say, you don't move me. Oh. Now before I go say, why you go talk this one? Say, no. IVF is for the rich. You know, they hear people they give testimony. They've done IVF 15 times. That's ego. They've spent one IVF can be like 2 million to do once, and even freezing your egg. Do you know how much it costs? People pay millions to make to get IVF. But for me, I wouldn't condescend so low to be part. Then I behind a go see cigarettes. No. And you know the irony is that the same people calling into Jpac's program are the same people supporting people where they are writing children RIP, creating poster of living children. And I keep saying to myself, is this what Igbo nation has turned to? That Gena Madugana call on our Facebook. You go to the extent of bringing out the person's children, writing RIP, and also mounting posters of the living children. Hello. So it is the group of getting justice that Jpac belongs, that he wants to help them extradite Ogechi to Nigeria. Is that the group you belong? Because I left those groups long ago, because my belief and their belief is not the same. My IQ or what I believe in or what I stand for is not the same as theirs. That is why I decided to shoot from their circle. These were the same people. Ken Chinwendu Sunday was in detention. Several of their videos, let me show you. If you want me to start playing, I'll start playing them. I kept it for Ken. Several of their videos, let me even play one. Let me play one so that Kake and Jinti Anoro. This is it. Okay, I sent it to Mr. Waja then. Bianro, Ken, come and hear one of the videos where they called and were chastising you.
Jacuzzi. Hello, Jaku. Electrician. I'm live now.
People all these things, they are all settled. Meaning I have a set of OJT opportunity so people should be very careful. For this girl to chat me off, also the lady I want to scholarship. Also, when they go to the again, 2 years. And I want yeah. Then when they go to also look at the share on the sort of this one 2 ways. But again, this is from prison where boy I can send me the money. The dollar culture in here. I send me that money. No one can Senegal police that have the money. That will go off sending now on the officer from prison. This was Kenya. Or when you get so definitely. Yeah, you do a try what you got going there. I tell you, can you take all over to channel and my wife, or something to come. I don't know the police after 6 months.
See, this kind of thing I can't see again. Now, Jpac, these are the same people calling into your program and into Governor Ezioku's program. I tried everything to help for them to raise money for Ken, born or in, when the message came. No, it didn't water, The reason why he played this thing, Maka Mirabel that called into Governor Ezioku's platform. Kan chetara ya ihe okuru maka Ken with nke oyanwo Ken nke deported from Turkey no Nigeria now na arozi ego henese na Ken nwere ego I have to save those videos. Now these are the same people now advising Jpac to ride on. Now they never brought a dime to help Ken. They never brought this Mirabel, even Ide Water that was even running the program, no Kolamo. Naim by herself called, was telling Ide Water that Ken's girlfriend contacted her. Now Ken said nobody should pay money anywhere for him. Now you're actually Diego. Now up Ogaputa in next month, but the girlfriend now and these are the people now. Ken, welcome, Ken. Now lie. That's why I say Ken, my brother. I'm not in a place to advise you, but what this thing that has happened to you, oh boy, okay, God forbid, inside there. They didn't give you the help that you needed inside that place. Something happened, God forbid. If something had happened to you whilst you were in there, what would they have done? Mirabel was one of those that called into Ide Water's program. Ide Water invite or Biaba, Biasi no Ashe. Now we set up, no wagi onyawulaji no just 1 month or puta na nka na owu a means muna ogechi na waja chori ji ebuba ego mana jiji onwem ego lewe ego achori ebuba. Do you understand? This is the same thing they want to do to Jpac. They want to ruin his comedy, they want to ruin his career. That is why okay, your brother is no longer there. Chokomilo, Otilo, let's go and, they come in with fake accounts. All of them, go and check those videos. You go see their names commenting. I was watching your video. I saw all of them. I was just shaking my head. I wish you know what you're in for. So it will do you good. If they want to fight Togechi, let them come out and face her. You're saying they should give you Ogechi. And in America, even the people that went to video Ogechi and they brought it on social media, they are there. Nobody, none of them, when they talk to Ogechi, do them this, Ogechi, do them that, they are all in America. They can't even move a fist. I don't want to say muzzle. They can't move a fist. That your Nigerian president, you are not telling the you are not telling the American government to help you extradite. You're telling Facebook people that since Ogechi don't want to come, they should give you that you want to extradite her as Bala Blue, Bulaba that you are, or as the IG of police of Nigeria that you are. Now sometimes, I think it's time you start putting your cap, your baseball hat, you face it forward. Don't put it backward, because Saga has a spirit. And the earlier, when Ogechi says something, you ignore, the better for you. Because the more you're responding, the more Lulu. The more you'll be making, look at just how many days Ipotarabiaro on our program. You see the way you just ridicule yourself. Emebegeme ipowala voice note. Emegeme idowala ebigwe. The ebigwe na arawai. Ebigwe is this. Ebigwe is that. I mean, did you actually sit down to rewatch your video? How you sounded? Did you actually listen to all the things you said about your fellow man that has never called you just because he didn't say anything? That means what Skibo was saying was actually true, that you rubbish your fellow men, fellow content creators. You rubbish them behind their back, not even the ones you've said on a video, but the things you say. Skibo was saying this, and people start attacking Skibo. Skibo was in pain, or has been in pain. This was the only avenue for him to speak, and he tried to speak, and likes of nobodies start attacking Skibo. So now it was all glaring when Jpac came out to say things about Ibigwe. Was it not clear? It was very clear to everyone that this thing is possible. He's been saying it to people. If you could actually look at the way his mouth was running yesterday, kolele. Have you ever asked yourself, how come it's only alcohol the Igbos are good in producing? Why can't they produce something reasonable that will create good opportunity for graduates? Have you ever asked yourself, how come they don't have companies that will employ people and pay them, send them abroad? Why is it only alcohol? By the way, where is Odogu Peters? Has that one also sunk? Okay. Ejizi alcohol mezi ndị Igbo ka ha na-aṅụ alcohol. Can't they produce something nice? something reasonable. Must it be alcohol? And then you are fighting yourselves who want to be at the top of markets. That is what you guys are doing as it stands right now. Can't you people market something good? Nigeria made product or Igbo made products that is not alcohol. Is it possible? Since alcohol is bringing problem and dispute amongst the Igbos, can they produce something else and employ people, graduates? Look at every year in China, they are producing things, employing people, creating job opportunity, something that will be very good for the future. Alcohol only destroys, alcohol kills. Why must it be alcohol in the first place? Now you sat down on live Facebook and allow Saga people to be manipulating you even after they have condemned you behind. That you raise money for one particular people in one village and all that. Who? The same guy that called you, that is telling you that Ogechi killed Mr. Obi. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is a prostitute. Ogechi Okeke Njaka is this. The same man called me and said that he's very happy. God bear me witness. I can never lie against me. That is very happy that Ogechi na win so. Now Ogechi piawagi the thing. No when DJ, no the same. Neither each question na scam on them mad that you did fundraising for one party. You should come out now. I even said it on someone's live program, and then the same person is calling you, and then you're shaking your head. You're looking for Ogechi. Ogechi is not hiding in the house. Is everywhere. Is everywhere. Juliago has it. Go and ask her. She will tell you that I sent it to her. Intelligent caller calling you has it. This is the same thing they did to a guy called Ogbanje, St. Ogbanje. Useless him. After they squeezed the remaining life in him, they left him. Now they are using him as a point of reference. You understand? They will bring him to program because they wanted to raise one giant money, and he came out. He was talking trash. Today, where is he? They finished using him. They are looking for some of these people fighting for useless justice. They are looking for a scapegoat to use to vent their anger. There's another person, she's in Canada. Her name is Ngozi Uzochukwu. She will start calling you and start showing, okay, she. That's how she calls me. She, you're doing a good job. She. Fight Ogechi for us. She. I will support you anywhere. That's how she calls me. Her name is Ngozi Uzochukwu. She's a grandmother. They will come and hide. That's how they were hiding under my brother Ide water. Let me see, Chichi, I am planning to open a kai. I'm not going to follow you by. That's how they were using my brother Ide water. Ide now. When they were calling it Daisy, Ide now. Ide water. I like him if they more Ogechi. This is where they come to ease their depression. And they found you, another fellow saga man like them. Oh yeah, let's use you. Let's use another Okpo. They used me, yes. Like they said, I'm used and dumped. They used me, And you know the irony? They were the ones that also pushed me to Ogechi. They pushed me to Ogechi. Now I'm with Ogechi. These people now were with Ogechi fighting me. See all those videos I was doing? They were with Ogechi that period, fighting me, calling me names. Now, after they now pushed me to Ogechi, I'm now with Ogechi, they are still fighting me. That's what they will do to you. So my brother, run. Anybody will give you anything. Tell the person, he will a page. And I watch him. Okay, and I watch him. Use your account down. Present this thing. Use that account. Come and present this thing. They will not. But just give yourself 2 or 3. Like yesterday, you didn't do saga. Now, you very soon now, you'll be losing touch. They'll stop sharing your program. They will stop sharing your program. They did it to Mary COS. When Mary was coming, dragging Okulora, and people to Chocobili will start dragging Okulora, no Ogechi. They will go there, they will share. They will come in. There's Ogechi, okay, Jaka. Go and ask Chocobilo now. They used Chocobilo finish, they dumped him. It's not a shaft. They used Onyobodo finish. They went there. They were giving Onyobodo star. Giving Onyobodo everything. Onyobodo, even Nonson Naka, the one Ogechi also that was fighting Ogechi, the Ogechi peered at the thing. He came out. I saw his comments. I think I took the screenshot on Onyobodo. Say, oh, my brother, thank you for standing for us. I saw Nonson Naka's voice. Comment on Onyobodo that time. He said, Onyobodo, my brother, thank you for coming out to stand for us. I'll go and look for that comment. Onyobodo to be doing gra. You know, say all those when are saga people, if they drag inside saga, your eye go clear. They really take ordinary eye, they do saga. Oh, I could put it in, say, more what I mean. Nonson Naka. Go hide. Immediately I stop fighting Oge. All of them hide. Go one corner. You know? Even the Nonson Naka fought me. Nonson Naka still went to go and meet somebody in Germany. KJ so Gechi Matoge Narose. He is the inventor of Ito Arose. Nonson Naka. Ogechi, my God. I will come to America. I get all those in videos. Ogechi, my God. I will come to America. See, saga is lies. So if you're not ready for saga, if you know you're not ready for lies, run. No. Mo get you pair on Nonson Naka the thing there. Oh, say, my God, this woman can lie. American slang commons now. British as Nonson Naka left America, relocated back to UK. He go pay euro. Person money for Germany, one Libya for Germany, we can't do a man say for us. They even still attack the man, say, oh, you know, Germany, me, or menane. Even as you change, you chat no, on behalf of Ogechi. You change, you don't candy on behalf. You know, you fall. We don't do this saga. We did remember every. Ndudu card each other angry. Man, their queen mother. You're not informed. Nonson Naka was the first to initiate this Ito Arose. You know, I saw his comments at Onyobodo this year where he was saying, my brother, thank you for fighting for us, for standing for us. That this woman has done us in one. I say, Nonson Naka still did this. Him on as a free man gini kana playa. You see, Nonson Naka still did this thing. Pure nice screenshot the comments. Now I say, Adi, Nonson Naka don't come back. Or they tell Onyobodo thank you. See, because Jpac, not disappoint these people because they go stagger you with sub. You have to be coming out every day. They will give you more. They will copy. They will even screenshot my eye bag. This is Akpama Mere. Now Nkiru still give me this. That's Nkiru way they play involved. Now my sister, now she give me Akpanya Mamere. This is my eye bag. They even screenshot my gogo. They take and saga me. No be small. Saga na your mate. Boogie bubu, your eye go clear. Nonson Naka they thank Onyobodo. Now they are no longer thanking Onyobodo. Onyobodo, they say your program again. They share your video. Go their pages. Go see whether they share any of your video. No, they share. They don't share any of your video. Now they don't share Governor Eziokwu. They don't share very soon now. For a few days now, they never share Governor Eziokwu. Now they don't share Jpac. When Jpac go come and now come sing, they say, it's already they talk about okay, they go stop. They now come back to their local saga. They'll come and tell you, yeah, rise. Oge Chokeke in Jaka is a criminal. Well, we take no ego rise, Oh, get your cake in Jaka. You kill Mr. Obi. Nkanya go goats, go quotes. Oh, get your cake in Jaka. Get Jaka. Now you go ahead and say, oh, that's local saga. Obi on a local saga. International saga, how do you lose? The only thing they can do is to support you and be sharing your page. When they don't say, you know, sweet again, they withdraw until you know we can't see them again. That is the trick. So my brother, and I'll say one yogo, because the one you're learning good name married. Women might be the weaker version, does not mean you win them when it comes to battle or econ. Wine or hang on week on or him their husband walks away. A reasonable man walks away to avoid violence or domestic hitting or beating the woman. Because wine or bad. You understand? So let me just say again, I'm not saying you should take this advice, but it will do you a lot of good. I am that lady that me and Oge fought for years. And then this thing went to the court. I told them, let's give the government the chance to determine the case. But apparently, likes of intelligent callers still wanted me to be coming out every day, to be talking the same thing. Anytime I come out, I want to do any program, they will come with Ogechi is this, Ogechi is that. And let me tell you what they do, right? I was told Sharon ran a program yesterday. And then later I went to watch the program. So apparently she was making reference to Benko and all that. So they have their thing, they are adults. But watching her video, there's something I pointed out there. There is a particular account that was writing, I think I took a screenshot of it. Yes, I did. Because my main person said, oh, just sent me the video, which I did not screen record, I just downloaded, and those comments are not there because I actually went to watch the video and then decided to take screenshots of comments. Yes, because on a good day I said, okay, let me screen record, but yesterday I was extremely busy, so immediately the person sent me the video and all that. I said, okay. The person said she's busy, that she can't follow up. So I said, okay, I'll go through later. So after she finished, I downloaded the video. I did not screen record. I downloaded it. And then later, I started watching it. And then I was seeing some comments. Now, what I pointed out from there is this. And this is what they do in this saga. Now, Sharon is running a program. Sharon is facing NK. Now, someone is there on that comment section. And the person said, please, go a bit to Camden Mad Woman. So apparently the person might be referring to me because I live in Camden, I work in Camden, I live in Camden, and they are the one that is mad, not me. And that is why they are under fake accounts. Now the person was trying to divert Sharon's, attention to maybe say things, and then if Sharon is not very calculative, Sharon will now start saying, is that IVF? So I just, because like I told her, if she knows she wants to really fight me like she used to do, write my kids RIP or bring up my mom's picture and come out and be shouting IVF, she needs to bring her face because I want to take her legally. You understand? No way be mad to get me in here rule. It's okay, no, you're above this now. Like I believe, like she claimed she's a Canadian citizen, I'm a British citizen. It's just to take ticket, book a ticket and get legal this thing, present all those things, because I know in Canada they have strict laws when it comes to cyber bullying. You understand? So because I already have those laws at hand, so I can now go there, because if I go there with a video she's doing on the darkness, she might actually say she's not the one. So that is why I chose the challenge that I'm a woman, she's a woman. She can be bold enough like this to face me. Call me IVF. Call me, this, that. Call me all those names she used to call me. And then I don't need to come out and sit down and start responding. No, I will take the war down to Canada legally. That is the challenge I threw at her, which I'm still waiting. But there's something I noticed in that live video. That person, let me see if it's here, if it was this phone, so I can read it. Yeah, I think maybe it's this phone. Hold on. I hope we go the hold on. I just want to hold on, let me see if it's this one. Okay, yes. So from here, no Jpac, that I took a screenshot. All those people, all this Suzanne Jane, now them, they'll still use another fake account. Yeah, okay, all of them, all these names here, they are saga people. This Eric Helge, all those people commenting. Okay, I think this was actually, yes, this is actually on Sharon's live program. Let me turn it around. Now, this is the comments. The person said, hold on, let me zoom it. So, now the person said, I don't want to misquote what the person has written. He said, ha ha ha, Geraldine, she don't give her, okay, no, it's not this one I wanted to show. Hold on, because I hear, I will, hold on, what's happening? Can't you put out that particular one? Okay, no, hold on, let me bring it out. I want to show you how those people, how evil those people are. And if care is not taken, they want the woman to give them, okay, this is when they were talking about Oluchi Benko. Can we put out that particular one? Except all of this phone, Kanjuri. Wait, okay, all of this phone, Kanjuri, where the screenshot. Okay, hold on. If, okay. Okay, the person is actually Beatrice Jackson. Beatrice. Hold on, let me see. Geraldine Ogbuefi, this, that. You know, the reason why I'm getting, because that phone here is Azaki Jamaya. Okay, I think he's on the other phone, so I might not actually get. So now the person wrote something like, Sharon, leave Benko and face Camden mad woman. I wanted to bring it to show you guys, but I think on this phone Jaro on the program. You know, some things they write is so appalling. The things they write. Now the person said, I'll get out of this thing. I'm just keeping it because it's on a live program. So I'm keeping the thing until the day she brings out her face to challenge me. Then I'll know that yes, all those things, just like Auntie 100K did by screenshotting comments. So this is a live program. It's on Ofuji Debube page. So as I'm also taking the name of the page. So when they will track, they will use the URL to track. So I'm not going to be like them, Ide Water and all that. Now me, so if I from here buy tickets, go Canada to go and get a lawyer, they will know, okay, this is serious. For someone to actually leave their country to come and file a case against someone in Canada, that means it's a serious thing, because I already know their laws when it comes to cyber war. That is why I decided, okay, let's take it up legally. And then she has her own evidence she will provide. You understand? That is how it works. Because me, I'm done with all this ranting. If it's something that is within my reach to do legal, I will do. But if it's not, if something that I'll need to respond to you on Facebook, I'll bring up my face and respond to you. You understand? So now the person said something that leave Benko, face mad woman Camden. Sharon read it and laughed and said, now this is what the person is trying to do, and that is the same thing they want to do to Jpac. Now imagine if Sharon has responded and diverted and then face and stay abusing me. Now when I'm running a program too in regards to Sharon, they will still use another fake account and on my platform and start saying, well, Sharon said this about you. Say something. This is how these people, if you're not psychologically inclined, they will mess you up. Now, Oge and Jpac is fighting. They will use fake accounts, go to Oge's platform and be writing against Jpac. They will also use fake accounts and go to Jpac and be writing against Oge, so that they are happy when they see two people destroying and tarnishing their image. This is what Igbos represent. I might be wrong, but it's my opinion about Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo likely ebe nwanne na nwanne na-egbu onwe ha. It makes them happy. It gives them joy. Why? That is why they created a WhatsApp group to pull down Ebuka, even when they knew it was all lies, that nothing like that happened. But they decided to instigate lies against someone. So imagine if actually they succeeded. Imagine how Ebuka will be feeling. Instead of him to concentrate, to pray for people, he'll not be thinking that there is one lie going out, what he didn't do. And then he will start, just like Ijeli was doing. This is why I said that Igbo people are happy when they see two Igbo people pulling down themselves. It gives them joy. So imagine Oge and Jpac is fighting, right? They will go to Jpac's platform with fake accounts and Jpac will be reading. They'll be abusing Oge, saying Oge is this, Oge is that, Oge is Nkwabe, Oge has imbecile child, Oge is this, Oge is that. Then when Oge will come out and stay for 5 hours, then Jpac is not live. They will now change, divert to Oge's place and start writing Jpac, where Bele face, Jpac, Amomiri, Jpac, show us your nyash. Because it makes them happy. They want to see Oge and Jpac tarnishing their image. They want to see Oge and Jpac fighting each other. They want to see Oge and Jpac, and then they are hiding under fake accounts. That was what that person was trying to do in Sharon's program yesterday. Oh, Sharon, leave Benko, talk about Camden mad woman, IVF. And then, if she wasn't calculative, she will divert and say, Happy Geraldine, and then they will now come to my platform and also come and type. Say, Sharon said this about you. And the meter will now come out and say, Sharon. And then they are under fake accounts. They are happy. They are thinking of how to kokotali the issue together. Don't be surprised. These same people will be on Oluchi's platform, or when Oluchi is running a program, or when Benko is running a program, they will be there abusing Sharon as well. Or they will also use fake accounts, go to Sharon and be abusing Benko, because they want to see Sharon being destroyed. They want to see Benko being destroyed. This is what they do. And to myself, I say, these people, do they even have conscience? Why do they derive joy to see someone else in pain? Why do they derive joy to see someone being pulled down? Why are Igbos this way? Why are Igbo people so evil that they want to see their fellow Igbo brother trapped, pulled down, destroyed? And then they'll be happy that, Ogechi they've destroyed Ogechi finally. Yay, they've destroyed Benko finally. Yay, they've destroyed Nkoli finally. Yay, Onyana London has gone to jail finally. Yay, Jpac, you've been causing people. Ogechi has destroyed you finally. Why? Why can't they say, Jpac, stop? Why? Don't exchange words. Ogechi, okay. Happy Jpac, please leave her. They will not. Let me tell you something. If Ogechi is not provoked, Ogechi will not come live to come and start talking. That's why I keep saying with my full chest, most people fighting Ogechi today looked for Ogechi's trouble. I happen to be one of them. I went to her page to comment. I looked for her trouble. I challenged her. I am not scared to say it because it's the truth. Most of these women with fake accounts have scores to settle with Oge. So they want to look for people with larger platform to pull down that person, not even Oge. Because number one, Oge, like she will say, she doesn't have anything to lose. She's in America. If you feel she's committed a crime against Nigerian government, maybe FBI will intervene. Maybe CIA, police, IG of police, or CID people. They will communicate with FBI or American police to see a way to arrest Ogechi, because Ogechi is still coming out with her face. Yet no FBI, yet nothing. Yet her address, at least the letter, police, Nigerian police will have contacted the FBI direct, just like they said that police came to UK for the COS. And I was wondering, okay, police came, they met UK police, or who did they meet? How about now? Do you understand? So these people derive joy. Jpac, let me tell you something, my brother. These people want to destroy your career. It's not even Ogechi chasing you. It's your own enemies that are after you. And they want to use you. They will do anything, even if it takes 20 million. And some people will also come because they want Ogechi to go down. They'll come and start giving you material. Just for example, you bringing out Ogechi's mom. Yes, let's assume Ogechi. Yes, Ogechi brought out your wife that has nothing to do with this. And you know, in Saga, everything is allowed. Yes, you use her mom. But if you had used Ogechi's husband, it's still okay. But not, we've made that mistake. I've made that mistake before. Maybe bringing out Oge's mom, or or maybe Fortunate's mom, which I publicly tendered apology to. Even tendered apology to Oge's daughter, Angel. Do you understand? Because when you're doing Saga, you say so many things. You say a lot of things that is not even good to the hearing of people, of dignified people, of people who are learned, people with sane mind. Things like that are not meant to be heard. The things, we said so many unspeakable things because of war, and war destroys things. That's why you see Ukraine, fighting with Russia. So many things is going on. People are losing their lives, their property, and everything. So we need to be very careful. My brother, if I were you, I know it hurts. I know sometimes it's difficult to endure. Even if Oge come out today and start dragging you. You're a man. Dear, that this too shall pass. It will soon pass. Because if Oge drag you, you don't respond. She go say, okay, make I leave him. He don't get sense. Like Governor Eziokwu, he say maybe that one don't receive sense. I don't go to call him again. And she's not calling Governor Eziokwu. Yes, she can make reference, but that does not mean she's dragging him. There's a difference between making reference and actually dragging someone. Number one, I told Nonso, let me call his name, that is your Oge and Jpac's Wahala, I will not involve myself. The reason why I got myself involved, or I found myself here, is because you went to start using my video and also lied that particular picture. I say every other one I will claim responsibility. But you see that particular picture of Oge's dad on a sick bed in the hospital. No. Because you know why? I work in health sector, and I know when you breach someone's personal data information, that thing you have done is breach of HIPAA law in America. Whoever sent that picture, the reason why the person wouldn't want you to expose them, because they will go to jail in America. That person broke HIPAA law in America. It's not allowed. If I should try such, go and check my videos. All. Check my videos. Even the lady that they used for them to bring me down in UK, that I said I know the law in UK and I will follow her legally. Go and check. I didn't even post her picture online. You know why? She was hiding to attack me. And when her information, the only thing I wrote was her full name with my picture. She even still took screenshots, submitted it to the court. And they just look at the thing, okay, this is me, it's not her. It's her name, yes. Anybody can as well bear that name. She's not the only one that bears that name, because it wasn't posted with her picture. That is where she lacks. She doesn't have sense. But I have a place to pin her, because you use her NHS ID to submit a doctored WhatsApp chat she submitted before the law. And her name, Ophili, appeared under. And that's the thing. That's why I say that Chia Mwanya. She has the God. And if she does not concentrate on her God, she might end up losing it all. just because of saga. She was so lucky that the day at the court, the judge asked us to go and take an undertaking, to go and sign an undertaking, that nobody should call anybody. I don't even know this woman. She just tells in I took 100,000, that I'm a thief, I'm a criminal. Another person by the name Ngozi Charity Madu, that's the one I'm even waiting for to destroy her life in the UK. I want her to come out. She can't be hiding. All of them are hiding because they know they have things to lose. Because I will drag them. Do you understand? That one will hide and be calling. They cannot come out. They'll be using people. She was the one that was calling on Venza, calling on Sharon's program. And then she would talk and talk. That's why I saved all her voice where she called with her number and her pictures. Do you understand? But they no go know because I don't like to give out Eben Neche Madu. Like now they call them. I've posted her pictures, that of her mom. You know what she did? They ganged up and started reporting my page because I wanted her to take action. Can be here in UK legally. But they ran and started reporting their pictures on my wall to bring down my page. That was what she did. But I know the law must catch up with all of them in UK committing atrocity. All of them. The law must surely catch up with them. Do you understand? So my brother, they wanted to actually pull you down. Those people hate you. Jpac, they don't like you. They want to use Oge. They are happy that you and Oge is fighting. Whereas you and Oge will have done a lot together. You and Oge will have, as in, moved things on Facebook, made money on Facebook. You will have grown. Even if it was initially, when this thing started, I thought it was like a prank until, it started getting out of hand. I never involved myself. Go and check when Ogechi and Jpac started. I can go in there, share. I don't call to say anything. The reason why I started calling and started, making jest of Jpac was because he went to my videos, extracted one or two things.
Hello, how are you? Awesome shopping. Okay, good.
Because he went to my 2021 videos and went to go and take things that had the name of my page on it. I said, okay. I don't know if he was given to or he went there. I said, okay. I took it. And I went through the things he posted. That particular Oge's dad's picture. See, I'm very calculative. That particular picture was not there. And then I had to do a video to ask him question. Where is the picture that you say you took from? Because if you took it from my page, it should still be there because I didn't delete anything. I didn't, even the one, the Auntie Honreke was telling the judge that I should go and remove where I wrote her name. I didn't remove it. So if you go to my distant page, you still see it there where I put my picture that this woman can find the unfindable. Don't mess with her. It's still there. The counsel was telling the judge that the judge should tell me to remove it. The judge said I don't know anything about removing anything, and that is why I did not remove it because the judge did not tell me to remove it. That's why I said she should thank her star because she will for no believe him. Hey. Even at the point, my own counsel, my lawyer that was meant to represent me came late. I was already in front to defend myself before my lawyer now entered because she came late. The things the lawyer submitted was what I gave him. Was everything I wrote and my things that's why I said I can represent myself. Yes, they needed a lawyer to put it to use some lawyer, formats. But I can actually represent as long as I have my proof anytime, anything. So less than the time, and John Reke did not even expect less than expected time because the thing was they brought the thing on a Thursday and the following week. So Thursday was when the letter came in. So Friday, weekend. Getting lawyer that weekend, to NASDAQ was very difficult. And that was when Olama introduced someone And then we went there, we had a conference call, we went there. But before I even went to see the main person that represented me, everything, both USB, all the videos that both Benko was running and where Auntie 100K called was already stored in US. See, I like to prepare myself. That is why if you see me or hear me saying I'm keeping, I keep for the future, because anything can happen, to cover your back. So people that say people are keeping things that happen, no, you never can tell the future, so that you will know how to support yourself, so that you know how to cover your back for the unknown. Imagine if those videos where Auntie 100 called on Edwin's program, saying, abusing me, abusing my mother, if I didn't have them to send to NMC to ask her questions, maybe they will say, oh, because at the point she changed a lawyer, she got another lawyer that represented her. So it is always good to be intelligent, to know what you're doing for the future. She was hiding, calling, not bringing out her face. And let me shock all of you, most of these people are well-to-do people who are committing evil, but they don't want to come out with their face. They don't want to bring out their own children. They are using people to commit their atrocity. That is what some Igbos do. It's very bad. Now, unu na be happy. Na nwanne na kono. Most of you na kawurasi. Unu na adi happy. Na ne wete umunde mmadụ ka dị ndụ. And if they are RIP, rest in peace. You people are clapping. Haba now. Haba. I don't have that mind. Because I told you people, I don't believe in the law of karma. It's not in the Bible. It's whatsoever seed you sow, you will reap. Because Abacha never experienced karma. He only ate apple and died. Tinubu, if karma they work, karma for don't work for Tinubu. You know how many things Tinubu don't commit? Yaya Bello, why karma never catch up with them? Now judgment. The seed, if the seed will no reach him, it will reach in children, third and fourth generation. His sins will not visit his children. Check all the politicians that embezzled money, that never thought good of Alami Yesi of which Ebonyi state then, I think, that even had to dress like a woman to leave UK. Go and check his children. He's dead and gone. Go and check the life of his children. How are they doing? So the sins of that man is visiting, and he might even go down to the third, his grandchildren and great-grand. It's biblical. So at the end of the day, I don't believe in karma. I believe that anything where I do, I go reap harm. It's not called karma. It's called law of the Bible. You understand? Igbo people, let's stop bringing ourselves down, especially on social media. Hausas are watching, the Benis are watching, other tribes are watching. Do you know Igbos are the greatest in the world? Igbos are they are not like, they are Jews. When it comes to business, they are business oriented. When it comes to building things, invention, they try their best to invent something. Go and check anywhere in the world, you will see an Igbo man at the top. Go and check. Go and check. We set the pace, then the others follow. Go and check. In America, you see Igbos, they are top doctors. Go and make your research. Igbos are meant to come together as one. Build ourselves. Showcase to the world that we are great people. We cannot be defeated. We are one. This same hand we are using, when Biafra comes, how do we want to achieve that? This is one question. Sorry, but I'm talking to someone. So you understand, we Igbos, because of what we have, do you know without Igbos, the Nigerian economy would not be where it is today. Nigeria is still shining, or they still believe that they are giants of Africa because of Igbos. Because Igbo people, that's why they are fighting to catch anybody that is fighting for the agitation of Biafra. They are ready to capture you. And that's why they are still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And that's why they went for Simon Ekpa. They are looking for every way to make the Igbo people to stay in Nigeria, to make sure that that manpower of producing things remains there. Do you understand? Igbo people are meant to come together, not tarnish one another. We are meant to stay as one, build ourselves, showcase that we have something. But no, the only thing they are good at is to bring down. The only thing they are good at is to destroy. No, I must be the one that will be in forefront, not you. At the end of the day, we are all on holiday. We will all die someday and leave all these things here on earth. We didn't come into this world with anything, and we will go with nothing. Imagine, after all those big mansions you're living in, enjoying, when you die, you just want small space. They will put you, after a few months, the coffin must have, rotten, your bone, everything has turned to skeleton. It's gone. It's only your memory that will be left. So why are we killing ourselves? Why do you want to go under someone's comment section and go and start talk about that mad woman, IVF? So what if I'm IVF? Hello? What about that? Yes, I agree. Everyone has a saga name. So I'm IVF. Yes, okay. What about it? Has it reduced me from traveling to any part of the world I want to go to? Has it stopped me from not having my British passport, or not being a British citizen, or not being a dual citizen? You understand? So it's so appalling. It's so appalling that we sit down and look for a downfall of another man. And Igbo people are good at doing this. The same thing for months, and Matthias Isaac is still doing it. Ijele did it for months. You people, see, Jpac, let me tell you something. These were the same people supporting Ijele right on. Now, they no fit contribute money for Ijele to even eat. So you can imagine how Ijele will be looking like right now. You can imagine how the eyeball must have bulged out from his socket. The same people, when I was coming out every day to say, let's help Ken, they tried everything possible to sabotage my efforts. They tried. At the point I stopped talking about helping Ken online, I will now start communicating behind. I start communicating to people in Senegal. They will give me details. I'll send them money for them to reach out to Ken. But these people tried everything. Look at Mirabel. Came out that we arrest American. Monday si chana Ken no pick up na hakro Ken na his UK number went. That's how they tell. Voice notes today. Their voice notes. You see all these people when they say Ken. Their voice notes today. Ken no if how kuruma kahime. He go say chai. I don't know so na so life be. The things that initial period they will come and say chi. The question I can arrest. If it be say the guy just want, they just want make money. Say, hey, I speak to Ken. I call him for a UK number. This, that. I call him for a UK number. The number go. Hey, I know sure stay the whole lot. And so, and I said to myself, but the person that brought that message, that Ifeanyi, and I call Victor, the way he approached me and the things he said, when the money aspect, I knew he was genuine. And that's why I reached out to him also. Is when you are in need, desperate need, that you know who your true friend really is. Yes, sometimes your friend might not have at that moment to give you. Yes, but that your friend will be there. But most of them spoke ill about Ken. Most of them said bad things, ran video. Even said that, so Ken, you have money to go and start renting a Igbo, but you don't have money for tickets. These are the same people that came out to pray with egg after they have condemned Ken, that Ken is greedy, Ken is this, is that. Why? Just because Ken stopped fighting Ogechi for them. Just because Ken decided to be at peace with Ogechi. Now, I'm sure they'll still be waiting for Ken to come out to come and see, help them to be doing their dirty job. But they will be hiding. They don't want to bring their face. They'll be hiding, committing atrocity. So my brother, I think I've not said anything, but I think I've said a lot. If only you will heed to my advice. Ogechi putakwa later today and I say, Jpac! Me, I follow join. See, I don't go bring which I won't take. I'm going to be your nurse. Ogechi, give me that job. Can make actually mean you can say my kokombu or not. That's why I go get this blue dot pen. You understand? I wanted to use it to do comedy for you. You know, see, make video. Say okay, and you only make you know, because if I drum, put somebody picture, we bend over, do video, it go. You understand? But I can't look and say, no, I actually need to speak to you as a brother. Don't listen. If you like, I am that Onye Singbaka. I am that mental syndicate. I am that Onyara na London. That one woman single-handedly that left her children in Nigeria. That refused to give them life. All those things, they said it to me. They said it to me. But I'm still here. You know why? Any man or woman with grace will always lead you. Don't let them kill your career. Because apparently, like you said, that all your 4 pages are monetized. Tomorrow, if you stop calling Ogechi, they will still come and tell you, Jpac, Ogechi. Then they will come with fake account. Ogechi sit. Even they will call into your program. You invite them and say, Ogechi Sina, Nka, Jpac. But tomorrow, you can't maybe another live video, you don't know what you go talk. You don't start. Can't they talk? Can't they bring evidence? Can't they play voice notes? At the end of the day, so my brother, a word is enough for the wise. You understand? Don't fall into these people. I am a victim. After they used me, they told me that I am used and dumped. They told me that I've gone back to my vomit Ogechi Kenjaka. Not knowing they pushed me to Ogechi Kenjaka. Do you know when I started talking to Ogechi? I started talking to Ogechi when after dark wanted to get justice. That was when me and Ogechi was, as in, we spoke first time, if I'm not mistaken. Then Ogechi now told me that, Chichi, I don't know what they've told you, but this, that. That was how we came into group for after dark. But before them, prior to them, Ogechi could begin our phone. We never talk. This was how they were pushing, saying things. You know, things that made me say, okay, you know what? Let me even be close to this Ogechi. These POJ members, these evil POJ members were the ones that pushed me to Ogechi without even knowing it. That's the same thing they did to Ide Water. Ide Water then was saying, not to do no way and all that. Or even that time, Ide Water even said that he will not even talk to Ogechi, okay, make peace with Ogechi and all that. This is how they started posting Ide Water's wife, started attacking Ide Water, started posting things about Ide Water. They will post his family back in Nigeria. They will post Ide Water. They will post his wife. They will post everything. And then they pushed him, started writing sub. They will write sub and tell him, even said that his wife has a kidney problem. The wife has this, that. There was nothing they did not say. You know what? That's how you do what I say. You know what? You do your worst. Ogechi now reached out to Ogechi to apologize to Ogechi. And that is how you see Ide Water commenting on Ogechi's platform. Ide Water sharing Ogechi's video. The same thing they did. This is how they will push you. Even when that thing is not in your mind to do, you will do it. Like, let me do it. Let me see what you guys can do. And since then that I have been with Oge, made peace with Oge, they have tried everything possible. They will bring my old video. Chichi said this, Chichi said that, looking for a way. They will even tell me, Ogechi said this about me. Ogechi brought up baby. Ogechi did everything to see me and Oge fight. But because we are two matured, reasonable, good heads, we know. You see all this in Hannah Bayari, we know them. Before Abraham, Jesus was. So all these things they will say, Ogechi said this, Chichi, Ogechi said this about you, Ogechi, Chichi did the poster of your mother, Ogechi, Chichi, Ogechi say, Umugi, and how were she had like a Chichi. Any angle they come, we know. That is why I call myself professor of movie industry. So I give them scripts, I direct them, I know how to do them, and they act according to my script. I can just come one day, just come and do something. I will point everybody, call all their names, you see them. That's throughout that week, I'll be their topic. Throughout that week, if they are not stopping, they are running video, they are calling. And I purposely did one to test all of them, and they keep falling into that. And then I keep saving their video to show you they don't have brains. If you come out tomorrow now, I'll come and talk. Look at that Kai. Look at him, he's brilliant from Malaysia, nothing. You're here tomorrow. Hey, 4 of them will run video for whole 1 week. And me, I'll just be there, I'll be laughing. Sometimes I use them to cook. Sometimes when they are live, I'll just put them there. Maybe screen record or leave them to download. And then I'll be cooking. That's why some of them, you see their voice. Now cook, I take them cook. With their voice enter for those videos. You understand? So people, let's stop bringing people down. Okay, pick one name. Let go. The whole world knows that Jpac brought out. Even Jpac himself knows that he brought. It wasn't even Ken that first posted it. It wasn't Ken. That I can vouch for Ken. It was Jpac that brought it out the first time. That posted it the first time. So Biko, my sister, I might not be in a position to tell you what to do because you're an adult. Just like I'm an adult. Nobody controls anyone. I don't pay your bills. I don't pay your car insurance. I don't feed you. So, but I can only say, please, Buto, let go. Let go of everything. And let's await. In my ear, sometimes when I say things, when I know they say until they can't happen. When I told Alicia that the person Nenye, Ide Water and Kingsley Mbo was Julie, she didn't believe me until it came to pass. You know why? I already saw it in the spiritual realm. That is why when I tell you people that Julie is the only evil person in this, you guys will not understand. She calls to make herself look like a good person, this, that, but she's behind. Also, behind that time, Chichi, Sharon. That's why I saved all of this. Oh, you mean JC, I need to see you can at UK. And that's why now, Judiago is a human trafficker. I know they hide my face, they talk. You know why? I have a video where she attested to it. That she was arrested. She was arrested for drugs. And also, that she brought a lot of people to UK under EEA family member visa. She said it. So anywhere we go in court of law, I will say I should talk up. I bring them out. But the one she cannot prove is the videos of hers when she was with Oge, when she was calling me IVF. Because it's a medical term. So she'll come and prove it, whether it was in her hospital. And also the video where she said that they used to chain people. Because I don't think in UK, you can even force anyone to take their medication. There is 7 rights, which is now 10 rights of medication. You cannot force anybody. If you're in this UK, UK, go and check the legislation of Medication Act. The new one, you cannot force anyone without their consent when their mental capacity is still intact. For her that she did that video, that's why I saved it for her. Or maybe I think she called. She called into a program, yes. So I had to download that program and kept saying that na program Chokomilo na UK ba na ijidende mmadụ gba ha ọgwụ ha arahụra for 3 days. That means that's what she's been practicing, and I want to know where she got that training from. That is why I saved that video. So at least I have a lot of her video with her faces. That's why they do my video with my face, because she's a nobody. I can challenge them legally here. So that is why I dey wait there. At least first person don't come, she no succeed, she don't go. So I dey wait for the rest of them. You know what I go? So my brother, Biko, even if Oge come they talk, no response to Oge again. Happy Oge. Oge, why? Oh, why? Always some things I need live through her. Always some things I need live through. Why? Why you can answer? I know a lot of you want to make money, so you come out and hey, Oge is a household name. Oge Choke Kenjaka is a household name. A lot of people want to use that to climb. People like Okongo Dibia now is using Oge because Ochoro, everybody will have Oge hey, on a hey. Can't wait a view and all that. It's allowed because like she was saying, Abuba you understand? So, okay, Butro, I know he must have said a lot of things and all that, playing voice note, this, that, but the voice note actually is against him. So for now, Biko, calm down. Watch her again, monitor ya. Monitor ya. This, that. Because in the next 1 hour, it might come out. Jpac. He told me, did you say or did you not say? You understand? So I'm only saying, because people would be like, okay, I want to follow you to drag Jpac. No. Initially, I said I'm not going to involve myself, but the fact that you want to start bringing out my video, so I think I was deemed fit to actually respond to him, to tell him that I made those videos. If he wants to create his own, let those people call into his program and say, yes, that voice you were playing, this is me, this is my number, I am from so place. I was one that called to say that, okay, that, this, that. Then we know he has arrived. And all those are Mr. B's family. Say, yes, you go, at least you're in Nigeria, you can go to the family. Go and interview them. Bring it that you've gone to interview Mr. B's family. Ogechi used knife and cutlass to kill the man. Lizzie the man. And here you come. And then you bring evidence. People now come. That will even make you go more viral. They will even tell you you're fighting for justice. But as it stands right now, all these people commenting on your platform, they are your real enemy. And your worst enemy is intelligent caller. Because I've been with him. I know what he's capable of. They are actually laughing you behind. They know I'm saying the truth. They are actually laughing you behind to be making mistakes. And if you don't stop, you make more mistakes that you regret in your life. People, God bless you. Let me go back to work. I'll have time to read comments. I've not been reading comments. It's not your business. It's better he give his day to the Agadi wine instead of... Okay, people, don't listen to them. Maybe can check a comment. Am I from any redhead? So I didn't bother to delete or to ban anyone. So just ignore them. They will come here and come and instigate, like this Dimchi will come here now, instigate. And then maybe he did water now, maybe Obiokana, Obuna, he did water now, after the he did what have you can say chichi, there. Then from there, happy can be put respond to the water. They will still come to my platform with another account, say, hey, he did water, fire him, fire on, preach on, fire him. You understand? That's the same thing. How be Jpac to page? How Oluchibe community video? They will go there, they go on this fake account and start fighting Sharon or Fiona. And then when Sharon or Fiona is doing live video, they will still use fake accounts to go and start. This is what they do. They want to see two people. Tomorrow they will say, those people nail you massy. They post to massy. They die. And they joy come mad on because Igbo. Now because please, do you use people's ailments to cause them, because this is something that is very common in Igbo land. When someone is sick of kidney problem, or has HIV, or has one terminal illness, or maybe an illness, is it something that is right to use to abuse someone? Because in Igbo land, Igbo people do it. If they find out that one of your family member has kidney issues, or your family member has HIV, or your family member has one terminal illness or cancer, Igbo people use it to abuse them. This is what trends in Igbo land. Igbo people are abusing other family members, because I have to call them Igbo people because they are saying all these things and they are blind to it. So it's common in Igbo land. So Benin people, this is what Igbo people do. When they find out that another Igbo man has cancer, or has HIV/AIDS, or has kidney problem, they come on live and start writing the person RIP, that sickness will kill them. This is common in Igbo land, because Igbos are not saying anything against it. Igbo people are now writing living children RIP, even make posters. And then Igbo people are quiet, because this is what Igbos represent. This is what the Igbo people really are. Because nobody is condemning it. That means this is what they believe in. This is what is right. Because if nobody, they are supporting, clapping, calling, nobody is saying, hello. Hey, abomination. I'm not going to share this program. I'm not going to call. They are applauding it. Writing children RIP. And those children are still living. This is how they burnt candle for 2 boys in America. They were still alive. And those boys are still alive. And this has been going on for years. And Igbo people are quiet. It is well. So my brother Jpac, Hapu Saga. Haprumwai Saga, Biko, face a man like you. But if you say you want to be facing allegation, these people want to push you to be facing allegation, and then you call me, I'm not going to put smartphone again. But if you use any of my video, or post any of my thing for your wall, or even somebody, you play my video where somebody call, I will come for you. You understand? Because if you did not mention me, if you didn't use any of my thing, I'll just leave you and no get you no barabon. Continue with my job. But because you deemed the fit to take my hard work, my hard work to use for yourself without acknowledging me, that's why I came out to acknowledge myself that those things were done by me, and then that you are nobody. And Saga, my dear, I am ready. If you want to saga me, I know they run. I know they run for saga. I go use my face. As not minding I'm with a husband. I know go call your wife. I'm gonna call you. Go. So, but in saga, anything join. Anything can join in saga. So, also call him none of people. God bless you all. I gotta go now. Bye. Have a good day. God I beg it.